If your iPhone is full of photos and you're deleting them one by one, stop right now. I'll show you the fastest way to delete hundreds of photos in a second. Most people waste a lot of time deleting photos individually, and that's why their storage stays full and the phone gets slow. Let me show you a much faster method. First, open the Photos app, tap on Select in the top right corner. Now tap and hold one photo. Then drag your finger down. As you can see, multiple photos are getting selected at once. Now tap the delete icon at the bottom. Here's as an faster trick. Tap select, then swipe your finger from left to right. Now keep dragging down to select 100 of photos quickly. This is the fastest way to cleaning up your storage. One important thing is deleting photos does not remove them permanently. They go into the recently deleted folder. Go to recently deleted, tap select, then choose delete all. Now your photos are permanently deleted. Thanks for watching.